The purpose of the nursing school is really to educate nurses who are prepared to enter into practice, to be critical thinkers, to be leaders amongst the healthcare team. We were bringing in new graduate programs, anesthesia, nurse practitioner. We needed to up our game. And so we went out as we made these renovations and we looked at the newest technology. And EMS was the best in the market. We brought them in to really help us figure out how to leverage that technology.
SIMULATIONiQ has made a massive positive impact. Our students feel like they have more autonomy to make these decisions. They can use this recording then to self-reflect and to objectively assess themselves.
We could schedule classes, simulations, labs, but the students could also look and see what rooms were available to practice in. And so that became one of the key pieces that I drove to get SIMULATIONiQ into Cedar Crest College.
The benefits are the scheduling, improving efficiencies, improving workflow. We know what the demand is for the need. We can manage resources and we can watch workflow and manage that so we can meet all their needs.
Cedar Crest prepared me for the real-life situations, most through the sim labs. So they create scenarios, code situations, difficult airways, and they make it kind of chaotic as it would be in a crisis situation.
Recording the simulations allows the whole scenario to play out completely, and then we can go through it together and look and see where improvements need to happen.
It also allows faculty to do what we call inter-rater reliability. We should be seeing the same kinds of things. We should agree on the evaluation and the feedback that gets given.
Often we don't like to watch our own recordings because it's uncomfortable. And yet it is one of the greatest learning opportunities that we can self-correct.
Everyone remembers when they're in the hospital. It is an incredibly vulnerable situation. And so how you communicate with someone can go a long way. So if you have a chance to look back and be like, oh, you know, I need to be a little bit more empathetic or sympathetic, that really helps prepare them for when they deal with real patients.
Because we're humans and we're taking care of humans. We have to remember about the compassion that comes with it. We're not robots. We don't do everything perfectly the first time.
When they look at their recordings the first time, it's almost enlightening. You can see them light up and realize this is how somebody else sees me.
To work with EMS, it is immensely satisfying. I mean, that's why we do all this work, is to see that light bulb turn on.
As the healthcare environment becomes more complex, we need to rise to that challenge. And the video recordings have really elevated our ability to educate the best nurses that we can.